how to set up auto reply in Gmail. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how can you set up automatic replies in Gmail. So before we move ahead, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel so that you get updated daily for the content like this. So now let's get started. Now this process is exactly the same for both a free Gmail and a paid Google Workspace account. Now what we are gonna do is simply navigate up to settings and then see all settings and scroll down to the bottom of all settings, and here you will see the out of office auto reply. We can simply customize and set up an automatic email reply when we are out of office from here. Simply turn the out of office auto reply on and then choose the first day that you are enabling auto reply. For the purpose of this video, I am just randomly choosing any date and then choose the last day that you are going to disable the auto reply. And you can also uncheck this if you are not sure when you will be back in your office, and then add the subject and write your message here. Take the time to create an informative email response that explains your situation and also provide resources for those that are trying to reach you. Now come down here and you also have an option to only send a response to people in my contact. However, keep this unchecked if you want to send this auto reply to every email that you get sent. Then come down and click on Save Changes. And just like that, I've enabled my vacation responder, my vacation out of office auto reply. Now if I want to manually disable my auto reply, just simply go back to settings, see all settings and scroll down and just turn out of office reply off, and then save changes. And then save changes and your auto reply is disabled. This is how simply you can set up auto replies in Gmail. Hope you guys find this helpful, and thanks for watching my video. I'll surely catch you up in the next one.